Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a link in your TikTok bio. So if you are a TikTok influencer and you want your followers on TikTok also found you on the other platforms such as YouTube, Instagram or Twitter, you can use this. You can just add a link to your other social platform or your TikTok bio. So to do that, you can just follow these steps right here. First, you can open up your TikTok apps. Sorry, let's go back. And then here, you can just head to your profile and then click on this button, edit profile. Now you can just scroll down and in here under the social section there are four other social platform or other social platform links that you can add, such as Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. So the first thing that you need to make sure that you already signed in into the account that you want to add its link. For example, if you want to add your Lemonade link account, you need to have the Lemonade app first on your phone and also already sign in. And after that, you can just tap on add Lemonade. So you guys can see here, I don't have the Lemonade apps on my phone, so they will ask me to download it first. So let's try Instagram. You can just click on this buttons right here and then just wait. Okay, arrow, I don't know why, but when I try to link or add Instagram link, it's always around like this. So let's try to add YouTube link. You can just click on this option. Okay, it will loading again. So here you need to choose your Google account or your YouTube account. Now you need to authorize TikTok. You can just tap on continue, and after that it will edit the link automatically, the my YouTube link. So when I go back to see my profiles right here, so under my profile or on my TikTok bio there will be this YouTube button. So when I click on it, my YouTube channel will be open, so you can have more subscriber to your YouTube or followers to your Instagram account by doing so. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.